guys, welcome back to another video. We are in Lyon. Very distinctly the building up behind me on the hill. We're in a market right now with this big church behind me. I don't know the names. I haven't really researched much before coming. But if they do have names, I'll write them on the screen or put it in the description, etc. We've been exploring the old town, which is more off in that direction, which leads up towards the big church here, and going by Riverside and stuff after shooting for a hotel. Just exploring the centre of town without really many plans.
I like that. I like that.
Any kind of colour because we have a big storm coming in right now. We spent the day around the centre of Lyon. We've seen Basilique de Notre Dame de Fourvière, which was one of the sites on the list. We didn't plan to go there, just ended up there. We've seen the old town, La Ville, walked beside the river, taken loads of photos and stuff. Really productive day if we include the stuff I shot for the hotel this morning. But there was forecasted to be storms at some point, and we went in a shop, totally sunny, came out, and it was drizzling and windy, and it's kind of just hitting us right now. So yeah, we're heading straight back to the hotel. We just had lightning, and wow, the sky looks dramatic on the camera.
The sky and the river looks absolutely beautiful.
That looks mad though. The scenery. Welcome back to day 2 of our quick weekend trip to Lyon. I have already been to La Place des Terres this morning, a couple of hours ago or so, and then I've just been wandering around the city. Probably should have filmed a clip there, but I've got loads of cinematic stuff. Ever since then I've just been aimlessly wandering, trying to get different shots of the city, different travel type shots, and also done a couple hyperlapses, of which I'm just walking away from the area which I did want. Look where I am right now. I'm next to the river. I'm a bit further along from where all the main stuff is. Come more down towards the urban area. All the more touristy stuff is around the corner up there. Now, the way Lyon is separated is there are 2 rivers which join together. So we've got this part of the river that is kind of like an island or like an outcrop. If you walk directly through the streets there, for a few streets, you'll get to another river similar size to this, and it goes all the way down there until they join together somewhere around down there. So that is called La Confluence, where the rivers join together downstream a little bit. It's a good 25 minutes walk. I could go there. Probably going to head back to La Place des Terres now, and then, can't think of a name, but there's another famous square with a statue which we're going to head to. and then potentially go up the hill to get to the big basilique, the Notre Dame de Fourvière, I think it's called. Yeah, this is the river in Lyon.
La